hold your panties. This one's going to be exciting. It's nothing worse than having junk, crappy tools that just lie around and make a mess. So I'm going to make a hanger, hopefully, that will hold these C-clamps and vice grips. This is just scrap metal I had lying around. And as you can see here, it's 135 thick. I don't know what that gauge is. Again, just leftover stuff from, I don't even know. Here you can kind of see what led me to think about doing this. I had cut this with a torch. So first thing, I'll probably try to clean up the edge with a grinder. Not looking forward to that. I'm just gonna probably mount this. I haven't quite figured it out yet, but it's gonna be nice. Just keep watching. Get away from my big grinder. If you don't have like a big grinder and you do any sort of metalworking, you should really get a big grinder, because those little ones, they suck. And those handles, those aren't a suggestion, the big ones. All right, here you can set up for this. We're gonna go ahead and square these babies off and finish cutting these pieces to the right size. Oh, that was way easier than I used to do. Why don't I buy this thing sooner? Because I'm an idiot. All right. Oops, scalp, dang it. Ah! Come on, you can do it. Ah! Ah! This is embarrassing. Ah! All right, so now I was at a little dilemma here. First, I was thinking I was gonna drill a hole and then take a grinder and finish the cut. But that would suck. Then I was thinking I'd make a pattern that I wanted and cut it out with the plasma cutter. Well, then I had a different idea. I'm gonna try to punch the holes out. Now don't be looking at my cock. Watch what I'm doing here. Not here, here. All right, here we are. Got most of the large holes punched. You can notice the complete consistency because I marked all of the spots. Not. So now I gotta go back and I think I'm gonna add littler ones. All right, I am gonna have to touch these slots up just a little bit. There's a few sharp burrs and just didn't slide on there real consistent. You can see like this one. Touch those babies up. Oh, that's a nice kitty. Should we comb the kitty? Oh, brush the kitty. Oh, she didn't like that. Back at her. Just gotta figure out how I wanna do this. Thinking I'm just gonna pop a couple more holes in here. Yep, bunch of more holes. All right, I spent like a ton of time, like 4 minutes, looking for, I have some welding magnets, I just don't know where they are. Kind of irritating me. So the next best thing is just to weld it right on the sander table. This is a 90, so yeah, get you set up so you can see that, I guess. That's on fire. Oh no, it stinks in here. All right, here we are. Got it all done welded. Turned out better than I expected. Now it's just time for the mounting procedure. If you're super cheap like me, you keep all your old fasteners and you put them into a pail, and when it comes to hanging up junk like this, you have it. So it looks like we're gonna be using some sheetrock screws. And you can't see that because Kitty's in the way. Sheetrock screws. I learned my lesson here. Broke 2 screws right off. Apparently you can't use sheetrock screws. My gosh, that thing's a beauty. Look at that. Look at soil doing her job. Turned out better than I expected, because I have hardly zero time. In fact, I've spent more time editing and making probably the video than I did making it. You know, granted, it's not as nice as the ones you can buy, but I didn't pay anything for any of this stuff. And as you can see by the rest of everything we have, that's how she goes. Anyways, thanks for watching.